officially December 1st, so today is December 1st. Super excited for the next month. It's gonna be so much fun. So right now I just left my parents' house. We have an hour drive back to where I live because Rigger has to go to the vet just for his annual and his shots and everything, and he hates the vet. So the poor guy, he's so excited that he's coming with me, but he won't be excited when he finds out where we're going. But then the vet is only like 10 minutes away from my house, so I'm gonna go home, do an upper body workout. I'm gonna maybe film a few more videos for VLOGMAS, but I haven't decided yet. So that's what we're doing today. I want to go Christmas shopping, but I might do that tomorrow. I need some makeup stuff too, so I might take tomorrow and just have like a me day and like get Starbucks and go shopping. I want to finish my shopping really bad so then I don't have to think about it. So that is what we're doing today though. We are going to the vet, and I think I'm gonna insert my grocery haul here so that it wasn't very long or wasn't very many groceries, so I thought I would just insert it in here instead of making it its own video. But yeah, we're just on a road trip, and when I go for these hour-long drives back home and back and forth with my parents, I listen to Dave Ramsey podcasts because it helps keep my spending in check, keep my mind on money, and I find it like really helpful. I also find it really interesting to like learn about other people's money and like how they're handling it. So I love listening to it, and then my mind is on the podcast instead of the drive. So the drive goes by so fast. Sometimes I'm like in the mood to like pump out music, but most of the time now when I'm doing the hour ride, I've been loving listening to podcasts just because the time seems to go by way faster. So I'm just gonna turn on my podcast. If I have time, I want to go to Tim Hortons. I was gonna go to like the Tim Hortons close to here, but I don't know if I'll have time. So when I get to my town where the vet is, if I still have like 10-15 minutes, then I'll go grab Tim Hortons. But I just never know with the line. Tim Hortons isn't as bad as Starbucks. Once you get in that line, sometimes you can be in there for like 20-25 minutes. So I'm just gonna see. I hate being late for things, so I'd rather just go to the vet and not worry about getting a coffee, because being late makes me super anxious. So especially when you're sitting in a drive-thru, oh my gosh. So yeah, we'll see if I make it to Tim Hortons before we go, but it snowed, it's super nice out, and my mom and I just took the dogs for a walk before we went, and then we got on our way. So that is what we're doing today on this December 1st. Super excited. Can't wait for what the next month brings. Hi, can I have a medium regular and a plain Timbit, please?
A medium regular and a plain Timbit?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else for you today?
No, that's it.
Okay, sounds good. Let's see at the window.
Okay, thank you. Just got to the vet and we are early. Ruger's not liking it already. But I get to go in with him today, so I'm super excited. They changed the rules now, so you get to go in with them, which is awesome. So that's way better than when sending him in by himself. Okay, we are finished at the vet, and I was so happy to go in, and he looks really good. They said he's a little chunky monkey though. He gained weight, maybe because of my foot injury. We're not as, like, we don't walk as much, but also we changed food, so she said it might just be like the higher calories in that food. And then I don't know if you're new to my channel, you might not know my dog ate a chugga ball a couple years ago now and had to get it removed from his intestines. So when I went in, and it was the lady who had him on the day that we decided to do the surgery, the vet. So she comes in, she's like, what did he eat again? We were all arguing in the back about it. I'm like, it was a chugga ball. She's like, oh, someone said a sock. I'm like, no, it was a chugga ball. I still have PTSD from that. So yeah, anyways, great experience. I like them there. They are amazing. $250 later, but that's the price you pay for a vet, a good vet, and for having a little furry companion. So Anyways, glad to get that out of the way. Now we're on our way home. It's 11:39. I'm gonna have some lunch and then do my workout, and then I'll probably like gather some things up and then head back to my mom and dad's house. So, I forgot my iPad and my computer, so I literally have nothing except for my phone in terms of entertainment. So I won't be like watching my YouTube videos or anything unless I want to use my phone. So I don't think I'll be staying as long as I thought. So that is what we're doing, but it'll be good to be home, and I think I'm gonna grab a few more clothes and some more protein bars for sure. I might stop on my way home at Marshall's because I'm really looking for this Columbia fleece sweater because I really want it for snowmobiling, and they have it at Marshall's for $30, but at Winners, but the Winners did not have my size, so I have to keep checking them all because they all have different ones. But online the same sweater is $60, so I want to find it there. And I'm also gonna get my passport and scan it because I want to look at this. They have an app for you to go to the States, and I want to look at it and see because I really want to go to the States next week. So I'm gonna have to get all that in a row to make sure that I have the proper like documents so that I can go over there, and I'm excited to do that. But anyways, I'm home. I just whipped up this gluten-free cinnamon loaf. It smells so good. I used coconut sugar for the first time, so I'm just gonna let this cool, and then I'm gonna drizzle some powdered sugar over it, and it literally smells so amazing. I didn't know how it was gonna turn out, but so far so good. So I forgot to video me icing it, but I mixed icing sugar and water together, and look at this. It was really good for being like gluten-free, like white, there's no white sugar, no brown sugar, coconut sugar in the cinnamon, and then maple syrup, but that's what's sweetening it. Well, besides the powdered sugar on top, but that's optional. And it was super good for, yeah, being gluten-free, so yum. And then I just took some pictures for my fitness Instagram, and then I'm gonna be loading it or uploading it tomorrow as my food. Follow me at Wild Country Lifestyle. I'm gonna bring this to my parents' house. My mom will appreciate it, I know. She loves baked goods. And I'm gonna probably pick out a sweater, pick out some clothes. I did my upper body workout. I got 12-pound dumbbells on the weekend. They're part of my Christmas present from Derek, but they were on sale. They were on sale from $41 to $27, I believe, each for 12-pound dumbbells. Like, that's nuts. And then I really want 20s because my 15s are too light for like rows and chest press. But the 20s were like $50 each or something, like, or maybe more. So it'd be like over $100 for two 20s. So I'm hoping that might be able to find some on Marketplace, maybe someone's selling some. But yeah, I have to choose a new sweater to bring. I have this one there and my Old Navy one that I love, but the black there does not work out because of the two doggos. There's just hair everywhere, so I might bring my gray root sweater, and then the dog hair probably won't stick as bad, I'm hoping. I think that's what I'll do. I'm just packing up. Got my raspberry lime sparkling water for the way back. Love this stuff. Got my bag. Had to bring some of Derek's tools. So packed them all up, and we are ready to rock and roll home. Well, we are home, but to our other home. Make sure I locked the door. Oh, it's so cold. There's snow. Oh, it's not locked. Close this. Okay. think I'm gonna insert my grocery haul here for you, and thanks for watching the episode 2 of Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow. It is so dang cold, but I forgot to tell you that while I was home I finished, these sunglasses look really funny on me for some reason. While I was home I finished my book I was reading. It's called The Perfect Couple, I believe, and it's on Amazon Prime. So like, if you have Amazon Prime, you can go to Kindle and read it for free, and it was so good. It was a really good like psychological thriller. So now I have to find a new book, which is sad, but that was a really good one. And also I wanted to mention that, okay, there's this family walking. Also I wanted to mention that, hold on. People that like walk their dogs like in your neighborhood and you see them like once and you're like, do you only ever walk your dog like once every couple months? Like, I don't understand. Anyways, the Spotify came out with your favorites of the year or whatever, so I'm gonna listen to that on my way home today because I love that, because then it's all your favorite songs in one spot. Like, what a great way to make a playlist. Okay, so I have a little haul here from yesterday. We got home super late, so I didn't end up filming it yesterday, but I thought I could take everything out and show you what I got. So I got the Villaggio bread. This comes in a pack of 2 loaves, but the other one's in the freezer. And then I got English muffins. This is from Costco, by the way. And this comes in a pack of 4 of these packs of 6. So these are in the freezer, but these Oak Run English muffins, you can't top them. Like, they're so amazing. So I love those. Those are my favorite, but that's what we got there. And then I got this pack of naan breads. It was $3.99 for 12. So that is a great deal, because at the store I think you get 5 for $2.17 or $3. So I'm gonna make some naan bread pizzas tonight, and then probably freeze the rest of them, and then just have them to pull out and make pizzas whenever I need to. I got a giant peanut butter for Derek, some chocolate milk, and these raspberries for my yogurt parfaits, some Tostito rounds. We always buy the big bag of these. We go through these pretty quickly. Derek likes to snack on them. Some mayo, and then we got this pumpkin and creamy fudge pie. It was so good. It's super sweet. It's almost like a sugar pie, but with pumpkin, and it was really good. But yeah, like super sweet, so you can't have a big piece of it, but it's super worth it. Really good. So then this is what I got at the grocery store. I don't know what Ruger's lining at. I got 4 Macintosh apples. I think I got 5, but he took one. They didn't have them like in the big bag, so I had to get them individually. I got 2 green peppers for the pizza tonight, and I just made lunch. I like having eggs and green peppers and cheese. It's so good. I got some rice cakes for my rice cake. Around 3 I usually have one. Some mozzarella cheese for the naan bread pizzas tonight. Some chicken for those. 1 thing of banana yogurt, 1 thing of vanilla for Derek, for me. Some eggs. So I've been eating eggs for lunch every day. This Irish cream. Derek wanted the peppermint one, but they didn't have it, so I got this one, and he said he liked it this morning, so I just got a little one in case he didn't like it. And then I got a bottle of wine. And then this is all from Costco for Derek. I got him these slippers. He really needed new slippers. So these, I have the girl version of these, and I've had them for years, and they're really good. I got him a pair of slippers from the States a few years ago for Christmas, but they had a back on it, and it really bothered him, so he ended up just stepping on it all the time. And then I think they got thrown out or something. So these are really nice quality pair. These are size 11, but I'm hoping that the 12 will fit him nicely. And I got him these Kodiak socks. These are $17.99 for 12 pairs, and that's what he was paying for 8 pairs, I believe, from Walmart. So hopefully these are like better quality, and then he'll have lots of pairs for work. And then I got him another one of these Paradox under base layers. I wear these too, but he wears them at work every day, so I got him another pair, and then he can wear them for snowmobiling, because that's what I wear them for. And then I got myself this balaclava for snowmobiling, and you can wear it where's this? Oh, like all these different ways. But I knew like in the store, this is a small medium. And I knew it was gonna be too small because I have a big melon, a big head. So I tried it on this morning and I was like, what? Like it barely fit me. So I'm gonna have to return it and get the bigger size. But I also like really hate wearing balaclavas. I hate when they're tight like this guy. Like when, well, worse, this one. Like when they're around your face and your head like that, I feel like so claustrophobic in them, but you need them under your helmet snowmobiling. So I figured at least I could do is get a bigger one because this one will not be comfortable. So I have to return that. That is everything I got in this little haul. I only spent 120 at Costco and 45 at the store, but that at Costco included like all this clothing stuff.